My name is John Arlene Meta Haynes. I am 26 years old. I live in the department of Arauca. I am currently studying a degree in mathematics, and degrees draw the different on age. We can see some verbs in the past, such as hope we helped kids at plays, entertainment, and the second unit we finished was crucial stopped for the last part. He made the exercise and the corresponding record counted, suspended, contracted, decided, facilitated, extracted, divided, divided, united, excited, inhibited, loaded, apprehended, avoided, extended, invited, exploded, extradited, exploited, compensate. Finally, I concluded with this piece. Thank you.